Poco X5 5G has been launched in India just a month after the introduction of the Poco X5 Pro 5G. The Poco X5 5G succeeds the Poco X4 by bringing several upgrades under the hood, including a 6.67-inch FHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695, a 48MP primary camera sensor, and 33W fast charging support. The phone comes with a center position punch hole camera, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security, and a square-shaped rear camera module that houses triple cameras. Specifications: the Poco X5 5G has a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1200 nits peak brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass 3-layer. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 SoC coupled with Adreno GPU, up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, and 128GB and 256GB UFS 2.2 storage. The phone runs on Android 12-based MIUI 13 custom skin out of the box. The Poco X5 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. There is an IP53 rating for splash resistance, an infrared sensor, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. As for the cameras, the Poco X5 5G has 3 sensors on the back, including a 48MP primary main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro shooter. There is a 13MP snapper on the front for selfies and video chats.